Building apps and agents is fun, and with AI coding assistance, it's never been easier. But that doesn't change the frustration of getting those apps connected to the data sources that they need, building in a way that makes it easy to deploy those apps to be useful and helpful across your team or across an entire organization. And it certainly doesn't make it any easier to get through IT. I'm Jerod with CData, and what I'm going to show you in this video is how we fix that. What we've released makes it easier than ever for developers to build things that actually work, that actually ship, and that are actually helpful. We've launched a new developer edition of our Connect AI platform that is free for use. It is built on the same infrastructure that Connect AI is built on. We've released an open source Python SDK that is available from GitHub, and we've launched a CLI tool that makes it easy for developers and AI coding assistants to build apps that ship with CData drivers powering the connectivity underneath. And it all starts on our new Developer Center, which you see here. From this Developer Center, we can navigate through and explore all of the options that are available. You can get started with a quick start guide. You can jump into the documentation that's available for all of the offerings that we have. So if you're working with Connect AI, you can use MCP, you can use the Python SDK, you can even use curl commands to get access to that. So whatever surface you're working with, whatever environment you're working in, whether that's an IDE, a terminal, or building something else, you're going to be able to get access to your data through Connect AI. And you can get started quickly. The platform itself is free, and we've got quick start guides of varying length to get you moving quickly. So we have our 5 minutes to first answer, which uses the Copilot that's built into Connect AI. You can use NPX to scaffold agents and get those running in about 10 minutes. And we have deeper developer guides that are fully open source where you can see the source code in GitHub and understand how the agent works and how it interacts with Connect AI. For the Python SDK specifically, you get running code from the start. There's a GitHub repo that you can go and explore the code, and we're excited because this is our first truly open source offering where we're engaging with the community. We want your input, we want your feedback, we want to understand how you're using it, how we can improve it. So go to the GitHub repo, take a look, give it a star, and let us know what you think. And the last thing that we have to offer is our CLI tool. This is a tool that is terminal native. It is meant to be used either by developers or developers with coding assistance or an agent on its own. And it gives you a way to use AI to build an app that is powered by CData's drivers. So you're using LLMs to build, but then you're deploying something that doesn't have any AI dependencies to be useful, to be helpful, to run. What I want to show you is a quick demo of the Connect AI Developer Edition. So I'm going to jump over to Claude Code, and what I'm going to run is a simple command that is meant to be an agent for developers. It's going to run through and look at Jira tickets. It's going to look for open GitHub issues, and then it's going to use that information to send a private Slack message of list of open issues, block 30 minutes per ticket or issue on the calendar so that you have time to work on the issues that are needed. What's cool about this agent is that it's connecting to the basic Query MCP Server for Connect AI that allows it to read and write data, but it's also connected to the Management MCP Server. And this allows agents to build infrastructure for the connectivity layer directly from the terminal. So the agent noticed that 2 of the connections that it needed were missing. It's provisioned those connections out. So all I have to do is navigate to these URLs and authenticate with the system that I need to connect to in order for the agent to continue its job. All right, now that I've authenticated, I am going to click done, and then we're going to let the agent do its work. It's going to look for tickets in Jira. It's going to look for issues in GitHub and send me a list of that in Slack, and then add items to my calendar to block time for me to work on these. While it's running, let's go look at Connect AI Developer Edition. So in Connect AI Developer Edition, you start in the Data Copilot, and this allows you to use the Query MCP Server and the Management MCP Server directly. It's got these preloaded prompts that will create the connections if you need them or allow you to run them. What we like to say at CData is that with CData, your agents, your apps, whatever you're building gets the connectivity, the context, and the control that it needs to run at enterprise scale. So when we talk about connectivity, we're talking about getting access to the data that apps and agents need. When we talk about context, what we're looking at is the full picture of the data sources that are available. You get full fidelity access to all of that data. But because of that, because of the exposure to custom objects and custom fields, custom relationships that you have built across systems, your agents can see everything that's available, understand all of the underlying systems and the connections that exist between them. And then when we talk about control, we're looking at two parts. The first part is that each data source that I'm connected to uses user-based auth. So I can use my own credentials. If I have a service account for any of the services that I'm working with, I can use those. And the connection itself is going to be permissioned based on the user or the account that's connected. So my GitHub account has read and write access to GitHub. But within the platform itself, you actually get further controls where you could downscope permissions. So in this case with GitHub, let's say maybe I don't want this agent to be able to insert or update information to GitHub. I can turn those permissions off. So at this point, the agent should be done. So let's go check it out. All right, so our agent has finished. We can scroll back up and see everything that it did. So it queried, it sent the Slack DM, and gave us a summary of what it found. So 6 open Jira tickets, no open GitHub issues, listed the issues in the console for me, but more importantly, it sent the Slack DM and created the calendar blocks. With this new release, like I said, it's never been easier for developers to get started with CData. And because you're starting for free with CData, you are working on a platform that is easily turned into something that can be distributed across the enterprise or even distributed to your customers. Because Connect AI Developer Edition is built on the same platform as standard Connect AI, it's a reconfiguration, not all of the work that's required to provision a new platform. And the Python SDK and the CData CLI follow in the same vein. With the Python SDK, you're getting connectivity into Connect AI using the language that you prefer in the environment that you prefer. And with the CData CLI, you're getting access to a tool that works where you work in the terminal in your IDE of choice that allows an agent to help you build an app that's connected to data using that trusted connectivity provided by our drivers, but then deploys without any AI dependencies. So head on over to cdata.com/developers, check out all of our offerings. Let us know what you think. We can't wait to see what you build next.